Ferns are some of the oldest plants on Earth, dating back over 360 million years. Unlike flowery plants, ferns don't have seeds or flower. Instead, they reproduce in a fascinating way using tiny structure called spores.
You've probably seen ferns before, whether in the garden, in the wild, or even as houseplants. But have you ever wondered how they grow and spread?
If you look under fern leaf, you might notice small dots. These are called sori, and inside them are sporangia, which can contain thousands of microscopic spores.
When the spores mature, they are released into the air. Some land on rocks, while others drift with the wind or water, searching for the perfect place to grow.
Unlike seeds, spores don't immediately grow into ferns. Instead, they develop into small heart-shaped structure called a agametotide.
And it has rhizoids, and though it's tiny, the gametophyte is very important. It produces the male and female reproductive organs needed for fertilization.
But there's a challenge. Ferns need water for reproduction. Without water, fertilization cannot happen. Gametophyte makes eggs and sperms in a specialized organs. As you can see, the male reproductive is releasing sperm. Yes, ferns sperm. Did you see that? That is a sperm that came from the male reproductive of a ferns. And when the rains come, the sperm swing away from the gametophyte that made them.
The sperm cells spring from the male antheridia to the female archegonia, where fertilization occurs. This marks the beginning of a new fern plant. As the fertilized egg grows, it develops into a young fern with tiny rods. Over time, it becomes the full-size fern we recognize. Here, we can see how the ferns grow.
Ferns don't need to wait around for other insects to help them with pollination because they can go along as long as there is a water.
The next time you see a fern, take a closer look and you might spot the tiny spores that will grow into the next generation. These plants have survived for millions of years, adapting and thriving. It's up to us to protect their habitats and appreciate the wonders of nature.
These plants are have survived for millions of years, playing an essential role in nature. But with deforestation and climate change, some fern species are now at risk. What can we do to help? We can start by preserving green spaces, reducing population, and even planting ferns at home. Some ferns, like Boston fern, help clean indoor air and add beauty to our surroundings.